Welcome to the introduction video of the Open University Virtual Microscope. This GLab video has been created to enhance the utilization of the virtual microscope for the purposes of teaching and learning. In this video, we will learn about the Open University Virtual Microscope, how to navigate the Virtual Microscope webpage, and how to explore the Virtual Microscope collection. The Virtual Microscope has been developed as a platform for geoscience academics to access geological samples without the facility of a petrography lab. The Virtual Microscope allows users to examine minerals and microscopic features in thin section, but also as hand specimens. Thin sections of rock are observed as an uploaded view through a specialized petrographic microscope without having to physically use a microscope. Hand specimens are viewed as a 360-degree rotatable 3D image with adjustable zoom. This offers geoscience students with a new and unlimited resource to study rocks and minerals in thin section without the restrictions and limitations of lab access. As a result, this online learning tool is aimed to enhance the student learning experience. Here we see the main homepage of the Virtual Microscope. At the top of the page you will find 6 different tabs: Home, Explore, Collections, About, Teaching Resources and News. More background information on the Open University Virtual Microscope can be found in the About section. The Virtual Microscope database can be accessed under the Explore and Collection tabs. Here you will find a collection of rocks that can be viewed in thin sections or viewed as hand specimens. Some samples may only provide hand specimen view or may only provide thin section view. Some samples may provide both. Let's take a look under the Explore tab. Notice that under the Explore tab there are 3 subheadings: In Place, In Time and In Focus. In Place provides you with a map view of samples that are archived. Each sample is in essence in place to that location. Navigate around the map to locate different samples from different localities. As mentioned before, some samples show thin sections, hand specimens, or both. In Time allows you to search for samples within different geological time frames. You can expand the eons to view the eras and expand them further to view the different periods. In Focus allows you to advanced search the archives. You can search by type, by collection, by accessory minerals, by rock-forming minerals, by timescale, by theme, by category, or by owner. Now let's take a look under the Collections tab. In this section you will find 15 different collections. You can view samples by one of the 15 collections, and as before, some samples may be viewed as thin section only, hand specimen only, or both. The largest collection we have is the UK Virtual Microscope with over 100 samples. This GLab video has been created to enhance the utilization of the virtual microscope for teaching and learning. You should now be able to successfully search, explore and navigate the Virtual Microscope webpage and view the various geological samples without the use of a physical microscope. That concludes the introduction video of the Open University Virtual Microscope.